Taking a look at two of the smaller sheath knives from my collection. This first one is a Joker. This one's made in Spain. Really nice knife. You can see it's not real large here, but it's not tiny. It's great for camping jobs, bushcraft. You could use it as a neck knife. It comes with this nice Kydex sheath. Easy to remove, easy to use. Really like the blade shape. It's nice and thick, full tang. Lots of neat design elements here. Lanyard hole, a really smooth shape. The other one is you made in the USA. ESEE Izula 2 Rowan. Again, made in USA. Really cool stone washed blade finish. Full tang, G10 handle, really big lanyard hole. Really nice design and shape. Good for cutting, good for tasks. This one comes with sort of, I don't know if that's injection molded or Kydex, but great sheath. It's super strong. Again, can be used as a neck knife. Holds it in very secure on the blade. So two great examples of sheath knives that can be used for camping or bushcraft or just tasks. Hope this helps.